The studio was thick with tension, every camera locked in as a live congressional oversight hearing unfolded before millions. Seated confidently, Jasmine Crockett flipped through a legal binder with cool precision. Opposite her, Jim Jordan paced his words with practiced aggression, his voice booming through the speakers. This administration continues to blatantly violate constitutional rights, he declared, pounding the table for effect. It's a direct assault on our freedoms. Crockett didn't flinch. She waited, letting him build his argument like a house of cards. Then, with surgical timing, she leaned into her microphone and asked, "Congressman Jordan, could you please clarify for this committee, what's the legal distinction between a civil subpoena and a criminal one?" Jordan hesitated, thrown off. "Well, obviously, they're both tools for compelling testimony. But that's irrelevant to the larger point." "It's completely relevant," Crockett cut in, voice cool and razor sharp. "Because you just cited the use of subpoenas as if they were all the same, and used that false equivalence to attack an ongoing investigation. That's not just misleading, it's legally incorrect." She flipped to a marked page. "Civil subpoenas are part of administrative and civil proceedings, not criminal prosecution. They don't lead to jail time. Criminal subpoenas do. And yet, you continue to blur that line for political gain." The room went silent. The camera caught Jordan blinking rapidly, visibly rattled. Crockett closed her binder with calm finality. The internet would do the rest, and she knew it. As the moment instantly ignited online, Jasmine Crockett's takedown began trending across platforms. Viewers replayed her precise delivery and Jordan's stunned silence, dissecting every second. But on the floor, Crockett wasn't done. The air remained thick with anticipation as Jordan attempted to salvage his stance. "Congresswoman Crockett, with all due respect, I've served in Congress for over a decade," he said, shifting in his seat. "I know how our laws work." Crockett raised her eyebrows and leaned in. "Then you should know better than to misrepresent them so carelessly on live television." She gestured toward the document in front of her. "Earlier, you claimed that subpoenas issued by congressional committees are unconstitutional. That's false. The Supreme Court upheld this very power in McGrain v. Doherty, 1927. Look it up." The room murmured. Even a few Republicans looked unsettled. Jordan pushed back, his voice cracking slightly. "I was making a broader point about executive overreach." "No," Crockett interjected, her tone unwavering, "you were making noise. But noise isn't law. Facts are. And the fact is, you came in here with slogans instead of statutes." As Crockett's words landed, Jordan sank back into his chair, visibly deflated. The clip exploded online. Legal analysts praised her precision, while social media crowned her the new face of accountability. Crockett didn't gloat. She simply gathered her notes, stood tall, and exited the room with grace, leaving behind a shaken committee and a lesson in law that echoed far beyond the hearing.